Hey guys, Ramon here with another Supplement Sunday video piece. And today's supplement, a very cutting edge, relatively new supplement. It's only been on the market for a couple years. And actually it was so profound that Dr. Blackburn and her colleagues, and Dr. Blackburn's right here from the Bay Area, they won a Nobel Prize for it in 2009 for discovering this supplement. And the supplement itself is called Telomerase. And it's an enzyme, right? Remember, enzymes are just proteins that do work. So you think about your macronutrients, you want to get enough sufficient protein, which will help with that. But what telomerase does, so in order to understand it correctly, let's take a step back. Think of basic high school biology, right? You got the DNA double helix, and then you got those DNA double helixes are packed into things called chromosomes, and they're in the nucleus of your cell. And that's where all the genetic material is packed in. Think of it as they're tightly wound shoelaces in that X shape. You know, you've seen those pictures of the X-shaped chromosomes, right? And at the tips of the chromosomes, that's where telomerase does its work. And so think of that shoelace analogy, and as you age, your body's cutting pieces off the shoelace over and over and over with microscopic scissors. Now the difference is, with regular shoelaces, it doesn't matter. With your body, though, that's genetic material your body uses to make your heart cells and your brain cells and your bone cells, right? Every cell in your body. And so as you age, if that blueprint keeps getting cut, your body at some point makes a very horrible, quote-unquote, photocopy of what once was a great, pristine picture. Now it's this degraded, nasty-looking thing, and that's where diseases and things can start manifesting in the body because the genetic material is just no longer there. Now, telomerase helps to fix, and that's what Dr. Blackburn and her colleagues discovered, was that it helps to repair that genetic damage at the tips of the chromosomes, which then allows your body to make a more complete photocopy of the genetic material. Now it's going to help you not just with disease prevention, but with tissue regeneration, energy, stamina, libido, better skin, better hair, nails, and teeth, whatever. And so it's really super profound. Now, having said that, you're like, man, this stuff sounds amazing. Where can I get it from? How do I get it in my body? And your body makes it telomerase, but obviously we've talked about epigenetics, and when you start to put the pieces together, like, well, wait a second, if epigenetics, based off the top geneticists in the world, talking about how you have to properly nutrify your body at the cellular level with the right type and quantity of the 90 essential nutrients, right? And so naturally, if you do that, that's not only going to upregulate the telomerase production, but it's also going to upregulate every other cellular function in your body. You could see how you combine the epigenetics along with the telomerase production, and now your cells are functioning kind of like Superman cells. They're going to be every single cellular function just skyrockets through the roof, which equates to you feeling more energetic and younger and higher vitality and libido and all this kind of stuff. So it really is a profound discovery, and that's why they got a Nobel Prize for it. Now, when you're trying to find this supplement, there are several companies that make it. Most of them are nutraceuticals, because the nutraceutical companies, they're the Bentley Ferrari of supplements, So I wouldn't be buying this stuff from any mainstream vitamin store, play GNC Vitamin Shop, Whole Foods. I wouldn't even touch it over there, honestly, in my professional and personal opinion. There's really only one company that I personally trust that sells a telomerase supplement, just because I can scientifically validate it and I know what their manufacturing processes are. And once again, it's not to say everybody else out there sucks. There's only one company that can do it. There might be some other ones. Maybe I haven't, in my research, I haven't seen them or heard of them. But like I said, it's a very small market with the telomerase, so I'd be very, cautious and skeptical as far as where you're buying it from and where you're getting it from, because a lot of the companies are good, but they market it so dang high, it's not even worth buying it. So I hope that helped you guys out for today, and look forward to seeing you guys down here at Flex Appeal.